All right. So in the previous one, we learned about security group. We are aware that security group act as a gatekeeper, which allows the flow of inbound and outbound traffic, right? So this video demonstrates the same. So here we are going to launch an Apache server, and we are just going to play along with the security group. So let's start directly. Just click on launch instances. We won't be wasting much time here. So demo security groups, and I'll take the AMI as Amazon Linux. Leave everything by default. This time we would proceed without a key pair, and let's now let it be unchecked. We need to check how it behaves, right? As per the theoretical knowledge, whatever we have learned in the theory, when we are not enabling that specific port, it will give us timeout error, right? Which will be expected. So yeah, let's go directly to the advanced details and we'll write the script. So I already have the script prepared. So this is the script that we are going to use, right? So we are going to define the shebang update, then we are going to install HTTPD, which is Apache server. We are going to enable it, then we are going to start it, then we are going to print on the screen it works, and going to store the file on where www and HTML, and the name of the file would be index.html. So without further ado, just click on launch instance, right? So we need to just wait for a few moments. So just click on this instance ID. A new window will pop up where the instance state that currently we are seeing is on currently pending state, right? So let's just wait for a few moments. Once it is ready, we'll get an public ID through which we will be accessing our server, right? Now at the backend, what are the operational things that are being in progress? It is provisioning the infrastructure for us. It is creating the VM for us, right? And after that, it is updating the system. It is going to install the Apache server, and at the same time, it is going to create a file for us, and it will be visible for us. Basically, it should be visible, but it won't be because we haven't configured the security groups, right? So let's just click over here. And yeah, here we got the public IP address. So let me just open a new incognito window and I'll just type HTTP colon slash slash followed by the IP address. And when I click on enter, you can see nothing is getting displayed on the screen. Why? Because we haven't defined the inbound traffic, right? So for the same, we just need to go over here. And here you can see there is a section for security. You need to click over there. And here you can see the security groups. So there are two sections for inbound and for outbound. So for outbound, we have enabled everything. But for inbound, we have just 22 port exposed, right? So we are going to modify this group. Click over here and then we are going to click on edit inbound rules. Now what we want to do is we want to enable the HTTP traffic which is from port number 80 from anywhere. You can even define a specific IP, but for now we are just going to write the IP address. Now let us see the current behavior. It is not even displaying anything on the screen. The browser still is in loading, right? Now once I click on save rules, okay, I can go back to EC2 running instance, and yeah, we have enabled the security groups. Let us verify whether it got enabled or not. When I click on security, you can see port number 80 is enabled. So as per our expectation, the web page should be displayed over here. So as you can see, it works got printed over the screen, right? Let me just zoom it up. So that is how the things work. And now what will happen if I remove it again? So what I'll do, I'll just go again on the security groups, edit, and now I'll just remove this rule from here and click on save. Once it is done and once I refresh the page, it will be again into loading mode, right? So that was all about the concept of security group. Security group act as a gatekeeper which allows the flow of inbound and outbound traffic, right? So I hope this video actually made the concept clear. So see you in the next one. Thank you.